Sometimes I say that I want you back, but
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little productive afternoon routine to share with you. I love this time of the day, time to take a rest after work, to treat myself, to play with the kids, and to do some gym, both outdoor and indoor. I hope I will be able to send you some positive and motivational vibes through the little routine of mine. So if you are new to my channel, I would love you to consider subscribing, and I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube space.
I don't know if I do. Sometimes I think about the good days we had.
I have a little box of absolute joy today for you. This is my brand new Sonic facial brush, and I would love to say a huge thank to Duvolle for kindly gifted me this facial brush. It's an absolute pleasure for me to use it. It's an absolute essential for me, and maybe it's one of the first things that I used to do after my afternoon coffee when I come back from work, is to take off all the makeup, because I don't know why, but after using a makeup a couple of hours, I start feeling my face a little bit heavy and itchy, and I would just like to go back to the fresh feeling, especially just before I start doing some gym. You know me guys, I love using facial brushes. I haven't ever been thinking that they're gonna be such a visible difference of my skin, of the texture, but believe me or not, I really feel my skin like a super baby soft. I feel my skin like this for the very first time in my life. So this is a completely different brush from the one that you have used to see me using. This is a 4 cleaning model brush with a different speed. It's got a high frequency impulses. It is made of FOOD-GRADE silicone. It is absolutely 100% water resistant, and it's cordless. You can simply recharge it via USB. And before I start using this brush, I love to take off the mascara with any type of micellar water or whatever I have. And then I'm using this Lms Cleansing Balm. It's a little bit too thick and greasy, but anyway, I have it and I have to use it. So I dampen my face, and then I'm just gonna be using like a 1-minute cleanse method technique, but because it's giving me such a nice and tender and relaxing massage, so I extended this 1 minute in maybe 2 or 3 minutes, and then all I have to do is to rinse and dry. The high frequency impulse can remove skin dirt, grease and residue. The low frequency impulse can promote the blood circulation in the wrinkle-prone area and help restore skin firmness and elasticity, which we all would like to do at the end of the working day.
But there were bad days too, and I know love is like the phases of the moon. And I know you would say I gave up way too soon. So what's gone is gone. Now we both moved on. Oh, that's la la life. That's la la life.
When I'm ready with the brush, I'm using my cotton muslin cloth to remove all the dirtiness and all the rest of the products. You can see how dirty my cloth became. And yeah, of course, you can wash out your face with water.
Let it be, enjoy the memory. Oh, that's la la life. That's la la life.
And once again, as I said before, I haven't ever got such a feeling about my skin. It's such a babyish and silky soft. And finally, I decided to use this Glow Brightening Mist by Boots. It's nice, just refreshing one. It's not the best smelling product ever, but anyway, it's doing its refreshing job. And of course, course, taking a good care of the products that we're using is an essential. So as I said before, this brush is absolutely water resistant, designed to be used in the shower, so no worries to wash it straight away underneath the water. In the afternoon, I love to make refreshing drinks for the kids, and today my boy was asking me for a banana milkshake / smoothie with a little bit of a honey, and that's it. That's really good for like a kind of an afternoon snack. This is something that I like to do once or twice a week. Those are my Skin Chemist London Pro 5 Collagen Gold eye pads, and I'm not so sure are they really firming my skin and my under eye wrinkles, but the feeling of something cool underneath the eyes when you take off your makeup is really super refreshing. I have to wait them to stay underneath my eyes for about 15 minutes, and at the same time I love to do something with the kids, to read a book, to watch something, or today my boy just decided to play a little bit of a ticklish game.
And I know love is like the phases of the moon. And I know you would say I gave up way too soon.
The weather outside was absolutely amazing and so sunny, and this is actually my weather in between 20-23 degrees, so we went out for a little bit of a jogging and playtime. And at the end of the afternoon, to make my routine as productive as possible and to feel myself as productive and as healthy as possible, is definitely my home abs workout. I'm trying to stick to this routine absolutely every single day without skipping even one workout, because if you haven't been watching my workout video, I would highly suggest you to do this, just because to see my not body transformation, I want to show you how you can transform yourself mentally and how this workout could really help you with your mental health at the end of the day. So guys, thank you so much for joining into my channel, for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to give me a thumbs up, and I really hope to see you in my next one.